Okay, I'm back. I'm back, and Vladut was crying because he thought that they come here and they gonna let him here, and he was crying with tears, and he was so cute, but he wanted the cakes because he was trying to grab the trays. Yeah, so I gave them the cakes and all, and at the end when he saw that he is actually going home, he was giving me kisses, so good thing. Oh my god, and Kasko, thank you so much for BTs. Let me write your name on the board. Let me wash my hands first. Yeah, he was giving me kisses on the end. So sweet, but they cry like it's the end of the world with tears of crocodile and like this, you know, when but he wanted the cake. I told him, look, I'm giving you cake, Vladut, and he was grabbing the trays. Yeah, so cute. Kasko, thank you so much. So sweet. Whew, okay, thank you. They're so sweet, yeah. And outside is snow, and half of it is melted, half of it is... Oh my god, cute emoji you have over there. Thank you so much. Whoa, I heard that. I heard that alert. If it's gonna freeze tonight, right now it's 0 Celsius, it's gonna be like a skating place, all the streets and everything. Thank you so much. Whew. I'm happy that they came and pick up the cake so they can enjoy it. It's really good. I tasted a bit of it as well, so you know.